A manhunt is on for a man linked to two violent attacks on two women in separate parishes. The police are begging the public for their help in finding him, who has a history of violence. And as you'll hear in this report, this man's family has also denounced him for the brutal life he's led.
This man has brought misery to the families of two women as well as his own. He has left behind a trail of death, pain and destruction. To make matters worse, he remains extremely elusive to police. The life of crime Oral Thompson chose started in Clarendon. The police say he's wanted in connection with the chopping of his spouse in Maypen. She sustained serious injuries to her upper body and narrowly escaped with her life. Thompson has been on the run since that incident. This is Thompson, listed on the JCF's Wanted Wednesday campaign, wanted for attempted murder in connection with that crime in Clarendon. The years rolled by and Thompson ended up in St. James, where he settled down with another woman and reportedly starting using his brother's name. But his criminal tendencies were on show again in early March this year. Detectives say on March 9, he chopped his 53-year-old spouse to death at their home in Anchovy, St. James. The deceased woman has been identified as Lorraine Hickey. Reports suggest they had an argument at which time he used a machete to inflict wounds on her body. The house they shared was the scene of brutality, with the woman sustaining severed limbs.
First, me hear say my brother do kill somebody down Mobile side. So they must say they on the blogging thing. So when me go upon it and really as truly down, me see it. How me really listen good. I know that name me have a Kevin Thompson me hear and I know feel name that. Him name not clean like that. Him have a more dirty and him name Oral Thompson. You understand? So me frightened for hear him a use my name. And it come like a long time him a use my name.
The real Kevin Thompson confirmed his brother is a serial spouse attacker.
Them him want him already. You know, I said cut up in Maypen. So it come like final them time they in run me and I use my name. So me I beg you please, if you no could correct it and set back in my right name on the thing, or if it's set. Thanks.
Kevin is sad that his older brother has chosen this life. He's also terrified that his name is being linked to violent incidents in St. James and wants that stopped. He says Oral Thompson goes by many other names, Baker, Just Bake or Run, but never Kevin Thompson.
You know, say for me here last night, me no sleep. For me a working man and have to go up on the street. You understand? And right now this man is dying gone. And he might keep up my time with him dirty self. Me not like that.
When we contacted the St. James police, they confirmed they have since learnt of Mr. Thompson's history and were actively hunting him down as a person of interest in the death of his spouse. But he remains elusive. Their investigations also revealed he was using a different name from his own. The police say he also goes by the names Kevin Thomas, Kevin Tomlinson, Gizzard Man, and Choppy Line. Persons knowing this man's whereabouts are being asked to call the police emergency 119 number or the nearest police station.